Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the watch face and long pressing to enter edit mode. This is where complications live. Once in edit, swipe to the complications pane and tap the slot you want to change. Make sure you identify which complication is active so you don't remove the wrong one. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps later. Completing these initial actions sets up the rest of the removal process cleanly and quickly. Now remove or replace the complication. Tap the complication name and scroll through available options until you find none or a replacement. If you choose none, that slot becomes empty immediately. If replacing, tapping saves the new selection. Press the digital crown once to confirm the face edit and again to exit to the watch face. By doing it this way, you prevent lingering background updates and reduce battery draw, which is why removal versus replacement matters for daily use. Finish by confirming the change on the watch face and toggling to another face to force refresh visuals. This exposes any stuck complications. If the complication still appears, restart the watch. Hold the side button and slide to power off, then power on because a simple reboot resolves sync glitches. If problems persist, open the watch app on your iPhone and resync complications in My Watch. These steps fix persistent
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.